MLA Kakat Kandai South Shillong constituency ba Sanbor Sulai ula Aiti da Jingthoh Shau Myntri ke Tnat PWD balong ru usimbut Menteri rang ba ke jela ba Presiden Tinsong hala ke Jingthoh kam ban Maramot iki Surok PWD hapok ke constituency Jongu ya kene ke Jingthoh ula Aiti da ba kerpa dio Menteri ban Simkhya nama babun ki Surok kide ki bala don kam ha ban Maramot no kam kloy kat bala.
I had an appointment with Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of PWD roads, Preston Tinsong, and I have submitted my letter of appeal request for providing this bituminous concrete black topping, full black topping, to all the existing old PWD roads under my constituency, the 19th South Shillo, especially within municipal area. This is municipal area comprises of the locality like the entire Luparing, Injatpur, Lumdorbar, Lumsopa, Mansan, Nuklanid, and Kenches Streets, Marlaban, Riyadlaban, Relabong, Oxford Hill, Last Bus Stop, Laban. These are all the areas of municipal areas which falls under 19th South Shillong constituency. Because for the past many years, all this annual road repairing has been repaired by pothole repairing or patch repairing. So this time we do consultation with all the members of the monitoring implementation committee, 19th South Shillong constituency, as a chairman of the committee. Yesterday evening, I had a meeting with all the members, and they have come up, all the members of various units of my constituency within municipal area. So we have passed a resolution that on the behalf of the people of 19th South Shillong and on behalf of the people of municipal area, to submit this letter of appeal to the Honorable Minister to provide us the budget provision, to earmark the state budget provision or the central budget provision specifically for the municipal area under my constituency, 19th South Shillong, for providing the bituminous concrete full black topping. So this is what I came today, and accordingly, Preston also, I'm very thankful to him and the MDE government, and even I must express my sincere thanks. Last week, I have also discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad Sangmaji, regarding various requirement of the people of my constituency, 19th South Shillong, and also regarding the same issue, who have suggested me to bring it to the information of the Honorable Minister. Accordingly, I met Preston, and he have taken it very positively, and he have passed the order today on this letter, and he have passed the order to the Chief Engineer PWD Roads to immediately prepare the estimate for immediate sanction for the bituminous concrete full black topping scheme, which will be the first of its kind within 19th South Shillong constituency, falling which or under Shillong municipal area.